This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. Today's discussion's about Microsoft. And Microsoft is sort of the opposite of what we talked about just in an earlier podcast today, which is about Tupperware. Tupperware managed to become a commodity product, and at some point they became a commodity product, and they went broke. They're down 75% this year and filing for bankruptcy, $700 million in debt. No good. The contrast is Microsoft. What's amazing about Microsoft is how much they've constantly innovated over the years. They've bought new things, grown into new areas, whether it's LinkedIn, whether it's the Azure cloud-based business, that even with the cloud-based business slowing a little bit, which is a huge growth engine for Microsoft, it's a huge growth engine, quite frankly, for Amazon, they continue to outperform. They're at 3.2 trillion in market cap. They're up again about 50% this year. They're up a couple percent today. But the concept is, and they just announced a $60 billion stock buyback, which will also support their stock price. But the real concept here is this constant effort to get better and better, to innovate and get better and better. I see it with so many great leaders that I know. This constant effort towards self-improvement. I think it's not just self-improvement, it's company improvement, it's business improvement, constantly looking, how do you stay great at what you do and get better and innovate? Microsoft is just a great example of this. It's just fantastic. Thank you for listening today to the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. If you're the first person to text me at 773-766-5322, we'll send you a free copy of our new book, The Entrepreneur's Edge. Thank you for listening to the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast.